be showing you how I created this simple pink medium coverage glam look. First, I started out by applying my primer. Then I applied my light to medium coverage foundation. After that, I applied my concealer. Now I'm taking a wet sponge and I'm pressing my loose powder into my skin to set everything in place. I applied my liquid contour concealer off camera, so now I am applying a bronzing / contour powder to set the liquid concealer. After contouring, I will apply a generous amount of loose powder underneath my eye to catch any fallout from the eyeshadows. Brow time. So now I'm just filling in my brows, the usual, nothing too special. I like my brows to be natural looking, lightly filled in, not too heavy. Then I'm going to clean them up with my concealer and prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. For this eyeshadow look, I'm only using 2 shades of pink. First, I'm going in with a dark pink and applying that in my crease and blending it outward, followed by a lighter bright pink on the lid. Now I'm dusting off the loose powder from underneath my eyes. Then I will be applying eyeliner, mascara, and lashes. Okay, so these lashes that I'm wearing for this look will be available for purchase soon at pursuitofbeauty.com. Now I am applying shimmer to my tear duct, followed by mascara and eyeliner. Okay, so after I spray my face, I'm going to apply some highlighter. Ooh. Then I'm going to apply some blush. And after that, I'm going to apply some lip liner, some lipstick, and then we are done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on social media. If you want to see what products I used in this video, look in the description down below. Thank you for watching. Bye.